Hello everyone, today I'm doing a little Sunday vlog because I have a lot to do and I thought it would be fun to film it. My cute little outfit I'm wearing right now, but I need to go to Office Depot today. I also need to go grocery shopping and I need to go to Target. So lots to do today. I took my gel nails off last night and painted my nails before I went to bed, so they're like really messy. So I'm gonna redo my nails as well. I'm also starting this kind of late. It's literally like 3:30 right now, but I've been watching Blacklist because season 7 finally came out on Netflix and I literally have like 3 more episodes left. I want to finish everything I have to do today and then be able to relax and then finish season 7 of The Blacklist. If you don't watch that show, literally go watch it. So good. I've seen it like twice all the way through. Alright, I just got to Target. I had to go to one that's like 30 minutes away just to get a desk that they have here, and I'm just hoping that they have it. They said they had 2 in stock. None of the Targets near me had it. I need a desk desperately, so here we are. I also really want this coffee maker that I saw. It's like an iced coffee maker by Mr. Coffee, and it's only like $20. Hopefully they have those too. So, mask on. I look incognito right now. Like, that's kind of scary. Alright, here we go. Well, that was disappointing because they didn't have the desk, but I got the coffee maker. It makes iced coffee. It comes with a cup too and a reusable coffee filter, so love that. This is only 30 bucks. And then I was trying to make myself feel better, so I got myself a candle. It's in the scent Sparkling Citrus and Spice, and it smells so good. But I really like it. And well, you can't even see, but it's a 3-wick candle. I'm obviously kind of still upset because I just drove all the way here and they didn't have it when they said online that they had 2 in stock. The girl was telling me that like it's very high demand for this desk, like it's always sold out, which obviously I know that, and that someone must have just gotten it, but they should have like new inventory coming soon. Been to Office Depot, been to Target. Now I'm gonna go back towards home and go to the grocery store. Updates to come. Ooh, beautiful. All right, quick grocery haul. I picked up a pineapple juice and then a cold pressed juice. It has pineapple, cucumber, and ginger. I think it'll be good. I got this pasta that I plan on making tonight, and then avocados, lemons, white grape juice, my favorite, some milk, some creamer. This is the International Delight Caramel Macchiato, my fave, except it has like lots of sugar. And then I got the coffee grounds, the medium roast Pike Place to go into the iced coffee, some Cheerios, and then I got some cream cheese. I got the garden vegetable flavor, and then I got some just regular whipped cream cheese, and then I'm gonna try this Silk dairy-free vanilla yogurt. I think it looked good. I got some romaine blend for salads, 2 RX bars. I like the chocolate seesaw, and then I got a Zone bar, the dark chocolate almond. Never had that before, so we'll try it. I got some sugar, never even heard of that, and then flour, some more wheat thins, some eggs, some ground turkey, tomatoes, cucumbers, raspberries, bananas, some petite gold potatoes, a half loaf of bread. This is always cheaper, and if you never finish like a real loaf, always get this. And then some bagels, some mushrooms, that's gonna be in the pasta tonight, some chicken strips, these little portable protein packs, has turkey, almonds, and Colby Jack cheese. So good for on the go. I used to eat these all the time in college for a snack. And then I got some strawberries, some mozzarella cheese, and then I couldn't help it, I got some chocolate chip cookie dough. And that is everything. I'm recreating this HelloFresh dinner I had like literally months ago, but it has the like swirly pasta, mushrooms, green onion, and like Parmesan cheese. Yeah. This is what mine looks like. It obviously doesn't look as pretty, and I already forgot the green onion, which I'm already mad about, but it's fine. And I'm also drinking my white grape juice in a wine glass with some ice cubes just to feel something, just to feel fancy, I don't know. But I'm gonna eat this and go watch more of The Blacklist, and then after that, we will clean. This is my box from Amazon that's like huge compared to like the product that was inside. So a little wasteful. They're literally so cute. They're like the size of a quarter. I have some that are a little bit bigger than this, but they're like skinnier, so I wanted some that would be like thicker, but these are gonna be so cute. Look how many cardboard boxes I have. Opening the iced coffee maker, but I have to throw away the cardboard boxes myself. I have like valet trash, but they like don't pick that up. So this is what it looks like. It's just, I got black to match my other Keurig because it's gonna go near it, and I'm gonna have a little coffee corner. The start button is on the side, which is different. I like just took this off, and then it has this like water sign, no water sign, I don't even know what that means yet. And then it comes with this plastic tumbler, which is really nice, and it tells you where to put the ice and then the water. And then it also comes with this little scoop, which I thought is very handy to keep with your coffee. It also gives you like a couple recipes, which is really cool, so I'm gonna have to try some of those out, but I'm very excited. I mean, surely I can use like a different cup besides just this one, but all this together for $30 I think is a really great deal. I wanted to show you guys real quick my new planner that I got, and then I got some like pens and highlighters, but I just thought this was so fun. This starts in July 2020 and it goes to June 2021. I just thought the colors of this were so fun. I like it too because it's like timed out right here, and then there's a note section, and then there's these little checkbox at the top for like to-do lists, and then you also get like a calendar view for each month. So I think this is going to be perfect for work. I'm gonna start cleaning because it's literally 8:30 right now, and I need to shower and like dry my hair before I go to bed and like pick out an outfit. I really want to redo my nails, but I don't think I'm gonna have time. I painted them last night before bed, and that was like the worst mistake ever. Every time I paint my nails before bed, I always get mad at myself. Name something better than fresh, clean sheets. Like, my hair is so poofy from blow drying, but I'm about to watch the last 2 episodes of The Blacklist. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is also my first day of work, so also very excited for that. About to take some Ollie sleep gummies so I can go to bed because I know my excitement will keep me up. But I wanted to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.